Yay, we're here, Alton Towers. Let's see if we can get on a few rides today. So the theme in here is absolutely amazing, you've got to agree. Right, so we're going on Nemesis Reborn. We're all in the queue. We're all excited. Jasmine's a bit nervous. So yeah, this is the cannon. The cannon fired every time the roller coaster went past it, which was really cool. And then inside, the theme in here was absolutely awesome. Really gave it that atmosphere, the alien vibe. And it's such a fantastic ride, it really is. Did a great job. Alton Towers did a fantastic job with this. It was so smooth as well. Such a smooth ride. This bit of the loop is so cool. Yeah, so that's Nemesis Reborn done. Happy to get that ticked off. It took us 70 minutes in the queue. Me and my wife and the son loved it. We had a few tears from the daughter afterwards, but then by the afternoon she said she wanted to go and do it again. So yeah, that's ride number 1 done. And now we're going to go to Galactica, and me and the son have a go on that. I feel like you're Superman when you're on it. And then just before that we did Nemesis Reborn, again, amazing. So yeah, Galactica was easy. We got really lucky because we sat down to have some sandwiches near the entrance to Galactica and they just reopened the ride. So we literally had a 10-minute queue, got to the front and jumped straight on it. And yeah, my son was absolutely petrified because he didn't like the position he was in, but I absolutely loved it, thought it was brilliant. Once again, yeah, so yeah, another great ride here at Alton Towers. So yeah, as I was saying, the theming around this area was amazing. And the helicopter, a real helicopter as well, an old Lynx helicopter. It's really cool. We had no idea what these guys were up to. I was telling him some part of the story, these actors were, which is still really cool though. And then we came around finally to the haunted house ride. So we're just in the queue here, so I'm just checking out a few of the gravestones. And then from there, folks, we'll move on and have a go on a few other small rides. So enjoy, folks. So yeah, we got to the end of the day. We had quite a lot of rain, quite a lot of wind, so we never got to go on a couple of the rides. So Wicker Man, we never got a chance to do that. They kept shutting the ride down. But yeah, Nemesis Reborn, brilliant. 70-minute wait time. Galactica, 10-minute wait time. We went on the Spinball Whizzer. That was 30-minute queue. We went on a couple of other rides throughout the day, some of the smaller rides. But yeah, we'll be back again soon in the summer for more fun adventures, and hopefully we'll get on the Wicker Man and Rita Queen of Speed. That's the next aim, to do those 2 rides. So yeah, thank you very much for joining. Hope you enjoyed it today. Like I say, the weather was against us most of the day, but I tried to film what I could. So thank you, and please remember, if you're new, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this sort of stuff. I've got plenty more coming throughout the year and into next year as well. So thank you very much, and we'll see you later, folks. Bye. And thank you very much, members of the channel. Really appreciate your support, and a special thanks to the Platinum members, Ramon Lamares and TSG Adventures. Thank you, guys. And also, folks, please remember to check out the playlists, subscribe to the channel, and hit that like button. Thank you.